And let's get you out toward places like Arnold, Missouri, where, boy, oh boy, we've been dealing with all kinds of rain, showers, and thunderstorms really over the past several days. Unfortunately, now leading to 12 flash flood warnings that we have on the map. The newest one just came out for parts of central Kentucky. This does include not just Fayette County, where the city of Lexington, Kentucky is at, but also Jessamine County as well. Friends and family out that way in the Bluegrass State really want to make sure that you are paying very close attention. Woodford County as well. I'll show you that in just a second. Nashville, Kentucky. This is toward the Vanderbilt University area and their football team. You can see the stadium. Lots of clouds out there. Along with it, showers and thunderstorms. Everywhere you see that Kelly green, that's the brighter green coloring, those are flash flood warnings, meaning that flooding is imminent or ongoing. Otherwise, if it's the darker green that you're in, that means that flooding conditions are possible. It's a level 2 out of 4 on our flash flood index. So in places like Nashville today, if you were thinking about heading out and about toward perhaps the Grand Ole Opry down that way, just know that showers and storms, some of which could pack a punch, is going to be in the mix today. About 1 inch to 2 inches of rain through the weekend on already saturated ground. Nashville, we highlight you this morning because not only through lunchtime, but more so after lunchtime, some of those storms down around Centerville, Spring Hill, and Columbia, just south and west of town, could be heavy, strong, and possibly even severe, being some really heavy rainmakers. So the forecast for today calling for that level 2 severe weather threat, and yes, it does include Nashville, Tennessee in on that. You look at live radar right now, and there's a whole lot going on, from flash flooding in parts of southern Illinois and then into the Bluegrass State of Kentucky. Again, included in that would be Louisville, Kentucky, so flying in or out of the airport. Know that you may need to give it some time because there could be some flooding on the roadways. Carbondale to Paducah, seeing some moderate to heavy showers and thunderstorms rolling to your east. And you'll note that in its wake, anywhere between 5 to 8 inches of rain is how much we picked up over the past 48 hours. So flooding, again, a big concern in parts of the Bluegrass State and the Volunteer State. Melanie, there's also that severe weather threat, and again, parts of Nashville, Tennessee, upwards of 50 to 60 miles per hour before everything is said and done. And what we're anticipating is for all these storms to kind of blossom through the afternoon and then race toward the south.
Yeah, you see that with our future radar timing, and there you can see that trajectory down to the south.